we've just got here to Norwell Beach in the Daintree. A nice little spot to have some lunch and fucking perfect.
Made it to Mason's Creek swimming hole. Tyson's hopped in. Little old me forgot my swimmers, so I don't really want to be soggy and wet today. But he's swimming around with all the fishies. There's a load of what we've just found out, a jungle perch, and there's a couple of catfish in there that we can spot, which is kind of cool.
Some catfish too.
Yeah. Sitting there all. Must think I'm about to feed them.
Turning the phone upside down.
Yeah, I was thinking that. Oopsies. Oh well. Yeah, beautiful. The only ones here at the moment.
What a way to start the morning, eh? We're here out at Mission Beach, and today we are on the hunt for cassowaries.
Cassowary. They're a myth.
Yeah, we think they're a myth. We thought crocodiles were a myth, but we finally seen one. It was pretty cool. Got the drone pretty close to him, and then, yeah, then he swam away. So, yeah, so we're about to have our coffee, watch the sunrise. Then we're going to go for a walk. There's a couple of little rainforest walks here. we're going to go do that and try and find a cassowary. See how we go. Sometimes, guys, you know, not paying $30 for a hose. Ew!